it's Carol, back in my art dining room. Today I'm going to try and do a Dutch pour, which I haven't attempted yet because I didn't have the right hair dryer. But I think I might be able to do it. I kind of got my hair dryer and made my own end. So I'm just spreading the white down, trying to make it runnier than normal. Okay, I'll break my air bubbles. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, this is what I did. Taped a thing on the end, cardboard tape, and I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see what happens. All right, so I've watered down my paints quite a bit. I'm just winging it here. I'm not sure exactly. That's pretty good. Okay, so I've got, I think that's cobalt blue. No, that's cerulean blue. And quinacridone magenta. And this is two colors. It's a violet, deep violet with Winsor Newton. And then it's a Americana purple mixed together. I need a bit more water in here. This has a little silicone in it. Okay, I'm just going to pour this on here. This might be too much, I'm not sure. And now I need some white, which I was gonna mix up some loose white. I got some here and I'm just gonna add some water because the ones in my bottles are not as fluid. So I don't keep it fluid, I keep it normal, and then if I need it more fluid, I have to add it to something else. So I'm going to pour this here. This is enough. A little white in here wouldn't hurt anything. All right. So now I'm going to turn this around. Blow my paint over. Have to turn it this way. And I hope I don't spray. Okay, I didn't want to get too close because I didn't want the paint to go all the way off the canvas. This is a 9 by 12. Okay, let's try this again. Woo! I think that's enough. Cool. Not sure whether I should blow that. I'll just blow this off the bottom. I just wanted some of that to come down. There. That's cool, cool, cool. So that was purple, magenta, and blue. Doesn't really look like a flower, but there. Just to make it a little more indents there. There, I like that. I like that effect. Okay, I think I'm done this. And I will put the dried results at the end. Hope you like this one. Come back soon. I'll hold it up so you can see. Thanks for coming by. Please subscribe like, hit the bell for notifications, and come back soon for more videos and paintings and fun. Bye-bye. Okay, everyone, I came back to this. I'm not really happy with it as a Dutch pour. So I was going to scrape it, and then I thought, no, why don't I try a balloon smash and see how this comes out. Might be something new and different. Or it might not. If not, I'll just scrape it. So I'll try one right here. And it's been sitting for a while, so sometimes that's good if the paint sits. It's getting dry on the edges, so I don't know if this will work. Looks pretty. It does. I heard somebody say that if you leave it sit for a while and the paint starts to thicken up a bit, that the balloon smashes look better. Oh, look how pretty that looks. It's a lot of white showing through, but that's okay. I did have magenta in here, and I don't know, it all disappeared. No magenta there. No magenta there. I guess I didn't have enough magenta. There. That's it. What do y'all think? I think I like it. Well, there you go. I just saved a painting. I'll stick a little one right here. Okay, I better stop before I get carried away. Thanks for coming back and watching and seeing the success of my pour, which was supposed to be a Dutch pour turned into a balloon smash. Anyway, I'll hold it up. Cool, cool, cool. I guess I could have put some color down, but I'm fine with it. All right. Bye-bye. Hi, everyone. I'm here to show you my dried results of my Dutch pour turned into a balloon smash. I wasn't happy with the Dutch pour, so I smashed my balloon in it, and it looks awesome. They look like asters. Anyway, there's a close-up. There we go. There's the dried results. Turned out great. Thanks for coming by. Bye-bye.